Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am introducing you to something that is going to simplify the lives of every C or C++ developer out there, the project CUL. So, now you may ask, what is this project CUL? First of all, let me just tell you a little backstory so you can understand my narrative better. In my initial college days, I was learning Python after learning C language because my university required me to learn C language. While learning Python, I came across PEEP, which was the package manager for Python. Okay, so then I thought, why doesn't C have one? Of course, at that time I was new to the programming world and I didn't know about the great package managers for C/C++ like Conan or vcpkg. I made this project my dream project. When something is a dream project, you don't abandon it just because there is something better than that out there in the market. So I embarked on the journey to build this project. So now let me give an introduction about what is CUL. CUL is a command line utility for C/C++ language which helps to install, uninstall or update the C or C++ header files easily. Okay. It is just a pip or npm but for C or C++ language. And I have written here also yes, and I have written here also that I have taken inspiration from Python's pip and NodeJS's npm. So you may ask, why do we use CUL? And let me show you why. Suppose that I have a project in which I have to use graphics.h library to draw a rectangle. First of all, I have to write code. Okay, I have just stolen the code from GFG. Now what we have to do? This is showing the error. So now we will need to download graphics.h. So what will we do? We will go Google graphics.h download. Okay. So we will just go to the first link which shows up here, and we will clone this repository. Let me just yes. So so we will clone the repository here. Okay, open in terminal, git clone. All right, the repository has been cloned. Now we will try to compile our code. I know that this will give an error. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to link this graphics library to linker. Okay, so for that we have to google that also, what to do, how to do. Okay, so how to link graphics.h in C linker. Okay, the mm, uh-huh. See what I am doing here. See, this is also not giving me the answers because I am in the Windows, and this can be an answer, but I want to show you something different. Okay, this is also not a hassle free. Let me just do a quick chat gpt. Okay, chat gpt. uh, so we will copy this and we will hope that everything works. See, I am acting like a newbie. Okay, let me just see. So the ChatGPT has given us the command which we will need to run. Okay, and we will hope that this will work. See, this didn't work also. So what I am trying to tell is that in these types of bigger projects where you need to play around with this linker type of stuff and some things like that, these things do not go easy. Okay, these things always give you errors. You will need to waste your time and etc etc. This is the reason why I have built the project CUL. Now you may ask, what is the big deal about this CUL? Why did I create it? Well, as a student, I always admired the simplicity of pip and npm. Like you just run a command pip install this and import that library or module in your Python code, and it just works. I wanted that just works functionality in C or C++ also. The CUL is specifically designed to work for C or C++ projects. It simplifies dependency management, keeps your project clean and organized, and saves you from the hassle of the manual setups. CUL is developer friendly, beginner friendly, and of course open source, so anyone can use it and contribute to it. It is my way of giving back to the amazing C and C++ community. So this was all about today's video. In upcoming videos, I will show you exactly how to install CUL, use it in your projects, and even explore some advanced features. Before I go, let me give you a disclaimer. This is just a dream project. I acknowledge that there are many good package managers out there which are way better than CUL, but this is just a dream project, and I want to introduce the just works mentality into C or C++ also. Now you may have many questions, but I will answer all those questions in consequent videos. So till then, bye. Please like with this video, share this video to your fellow developer friends, subscribe to my channel to stay updated regarding this cool project. And of course, if you have any questions or suggestions or any criticisms, be feel free to write in the comment section. Bye.